Okay, let us handle the objects that make up a database file, and we are going to base on somebody's file in this computer. And the file we are going to base on, we need to go in documents, and then we check. Now for this case, let us take George's file, whereby George had to save a database file. George is here. The moment you double click on it, it has objects that make up this database file. And one of the object, we are looking at the table. This is the table. That is the table holds raw data. And also we have also other objects, whereby you have a query. A query is used to answer questions. For example, here student tried to ask or to use this database object, a query, only to get students, to get science students. Here let us check and see. Query for only senior 6 science. So you find that we only have those students who are in science class, so meaning that that is also a query. And also we have what we call a form as an object. A form is extracted from the raw data you have. Let us go and you will be able to see also the form. So the form is used to enter data. This is a form, meaning that in case if I want to enter another student, I will just come and click here, and then I enter student's name, that Morris, class senior 6C at C. Then it paid date in. Think about the date. Then membership fee. That is it. I'm entering something in the what? In a form. Meaning that I can even save. So this is a form. So you find that instead of using a pen and a paper to write, I only need to use a computer to fill a form. The moment, for example, some of you, the moment you go in the hospitals, they write somewhere on the form. They just use the papers. So now, if we come to the .com world, you can use a computer to enter data. If we come to a report, also report, we say that it can enable you to view before you print out. Now let me also go and create a report here. Simple report. So the moment I go ahead and then I create a report, so now this is our report, meaning that in this view, the view C, it is just in what we call a print view, a print preview. So mean that you can print. You can either print it on landscape or you can print it on portrait. So it can help you to print, meaning that the moment if I want to print, I'll just come and click on what? Print. But if I don't want, I will come and close here. Okay? So mean that your report is just there. In case if you ask for a report, you can give a report. These are the people who have so far registered. So now, members, those are the objects that make up a database file. We have a report, whereby a report is represented by a green icon. We have a form, is represented by this icon. And also we have a table is also represented by this icon, and also we have a query whereby it is represented by the two the icon there. So that is it. That is it about the objects that make up a database that